And you just stick it on here like this or this way, either way, whatever. Hey guys, BikeBlogger here. On my way to work, wanted to share a little neat trick with you. Let's pull over to the side here for a second. So, you'll notice as I walk that my clipless shoes make a crunching noise. You can't notice it so much right now, but just wanted to show you here. Set up my bike there. I got a solution. These guys, they're just a couple pieces of weather stripping. Got some really sticky adhesive. All you gotta do is just stick them on your cleats on your shoes when you're off the bike, of course, and then you can walk around and see, you don't hear anything. You don't hear any crunching noise. So I'll stop a little bit later here in this commute and show you how they just go right over the cleat on the shoe. Pretty nasty, picking up all the sort of crud off the ground, but so yeah, simple as that. I got mountain biking clipless shoes. If you got road cycling shoes, you can get covers for those cleats, but it still doesn't mean it's, they're really great to walk in. Of course, not ideal. That's why I'm sort of looking at flat pedals. More on that in a future video, though. I know I've always advocated for clipless pedals, but I'm just let this guy go. All right. Whew. So it's Monday, December 7, 2015. The left here. Whew. So the reason why your shoes, let's go this way, I don't even know where this goes. The reason why your shoes make a crunching noise on the concrete or pavement is because the cleat is made of metal, and metal against a rough surface like no outlet, can't go that way, let's go straight. And a pavement surface is not smooth like a blacktop or asphalt. Let's see, can we go left here? I think so. I think it's our only choice, actually. People stopping in the middle of the road. All right, let's see, let's go right. Whew. Okay, now I know where I am. Let's make a left here. Get on the trail. Zoom. So I ride with Shimano clipless shoes, mountain biking shoes. They have recessed soles, and with these particular shoes, with recessed sole cleats, recessed cleats, you can certainly walk around quite easily with them, but they can still make an annoying noise. As you might see in a couple of my past videos. So I was just trying to come up with a solution, so I spent like an hour trying to figure it out. And I was thinking, well, I could put tape over them. I could put on a big, let's go straight. I put on a big sock. I could maybe wrap Velcro over it. Stop. Okay. Whew. None of those ideas really worked. And the tape even didn't work. I mean, what you need is a really strong adhesive that is glue to stay over them. What's this person doing up there? They're just sort of stalling. Whew. Okay. All right. Whew. Yeah, so I'm back to my freewheel. Not a big fixed gear fan, but that's okay. To each his own. Fixed gear cycling is fine for riding on the velodrome or something, but not really ideal for commuting. But I know others will disagree with me, so to each his own. Woo! Yeah, so I said, looking for something that would stick to the bottom of the shoe that would, you know, stay, but also not leave a big mess on the shoe, on the cleat. So it, I mean, it's, you know, sure, it's a possibility you might compromise your ability to clip in and clip out if you start putting sort of a sticky substance on the cleat. So you just gotta be aware of that. And obviously I'm testing it here near winter time. If it were summer, who knows what would sort of, you know, happen to the left here. You know, maybe it'd start melting and fusing to the shoe, and that'd be really bad. Whew. It seems to work though, and it doesn't seem to fall off, because when I was using regular tape, you know, I was walking around on some wet pavement, and it was sort of raining out a little bit, and it was just coming off. Let's wait for this guy. All right. Okay. I'm gonna make a right here. Get on the big road for a moment. Go up this way. Whew. Cut back through here. Yeah, so I'm feeling a little better. I've been sick, like I said in one of my past videos. Let's guy doing? He's just stopped here, okay. Blocking traffic a little. That's okay, I'm a bicycle. Can't stop me. Whew. Yeah, so sort of a gloomy day. A little foggy. No rain though, so that's nice. Rain can be nice, it mixes things up, but these sort of days just sometimes go on and on and on in winter time. Oh yeah, I meant to stop. Yeah, we'll find a spot and we'll stop and I'll sort of show you a little bit about the shoe. Let's go up this way. Whew. Monday, Monday, Monday. Steak and shake. Whew. Right here. Oh. Go left. Oh. All right. Oh. I think I see some steps up here. Stop for a second. I'll show you what I was talking about earlier. Oh. Set the bike down nice. Woo. So, here's my shoe. Here's the underside. Let's get a piece of that sticky stuff. And I gotta take my glove off. Whew, glad I'm doing this now before it gets really cold. Then you just stick it on here like this or this way, either way, whatever. Or get yourself a bigger piece. I'll have a link in the description below of this particular product, of course. And you just walk on it, and it, you know, so it compresses, and like I said, it's just weather stripping. It's something you stick in doorways and around window frames to prevent the cold, like today, the cold from getting inside your home. Whew. All right. More about these gloves in a future video too. Oh, waking up in the morning. So yeah, crunch, crunch, crunch. Unless I put them on my cleats. Just gotta be careful. Make sure you take them off before you get back on the bike. Whew. All right, almost to work now. People decorating their homes with Christmas stuff that time of year. See you next time. Woo!